Hello, this is my recording on how to use my PowerPoint titled "Which Book Genre Are You?" Let's get started. So it starts out on this page with a little bit of music in the background. I'll turn it down a little bit to hear me. The next thing you need to do is click anywhere on this page and you will move on to the next slide. Do not use your arrow keys because this is made to be interactive. So first, we would talk about the things involved in a book. So every book has characters, a plot, a setting, conflict, and the resolution to the conflict. This is the classic mountain that is taught in high school. I'm sure everyone is familiar with it. And now we will talk about the two main types of books. So let's start with fiction. Fiction is imaginary stories, including imaginary events and people. Nonfiction is writing that is based on real life events, people, or facts. Next, we'll talk about the subgenres of fiction and nonfiction. Here are just a few examples. Of course, these are not all of the different genres within fiction and nonfiction. These are just a few popular ones that I decided to put in here. Alright, and this is a little quiz. And the purpose of this quiz is to show that books relate to our personalities, and we all read books that we enjoy to read, and that is dependent on what we find enjoyable. Let's start. So, your home is very organized, minimalistic, inviting and warm, messier than you'd like to admit, or easily transported. I will go with minimalistic. Because I chose minimalistic, I get the thriller/mystery genre, and these are a few books that I could check out. Soon there will be the books will be clickable and you'll be able to read synopses of these different books. Let's go back. And the next question is, when you're stressed out, you relax by looking for potential matches on Tinder, you take a nap or go for a walk with your dog, you brainstorm ways to destroy your enemies, you exercise, preferably with a weapon, or you search the internet for metaphors that describe your life. Let's see what we should go for. Let's go with brainstorm ways to... Okay, we get mystery thriller again. Let's go for the third question. Your favorite color on this list is black, red, purple, green, or blue. Let's go with blue. Literacy fiction. And of course, again, here we would have the clickable books to where we would read the synopses. Pick one word to describe your family holidays. Proper, rare, disappointing, adorable, or dangerous. Let's go with proper. Historical fiction. And the last question is, you zoned off? What were you thinking about? Where you want to travel to next? What you would do if the purge were real? Which restaurant to go to with your significant other? Ways to improve yourself and your life? Or a memory of something that had happened? And we'll go with where you want to travel to next. And we get sci-fi fiction, and then some popular books. And now, we're at the end of the PowerPoint. Thanks for being along.